In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get 12 cheap data codes from MTN. And make sure that you have been using your MTN SIM card for at least a while, okay? Because people that are new to this MTN network, it might not work for them. And we all know that things are quite expensive now. To get money, no be small thing, no. As you all know, 1 gig is now 800 naira. As you can see, it's very expensive. So I'm going to be sharing this video into 2 sections. The first one is for individuals, those that want to buy data for themselves. Second section is for business owners. You want to buy data for your business use. Let me show you how you can buy this 12 cheap data with 12 smart codes. So if this video you like to watch, please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video, and let me show you this 12 smart sweet MTN data codes that you're going to get at a very cheap price. Number 1 code is you're going to be dialing *312*100# hash. So here you will be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gigabyte, and it's going to last for 30 days. Isn't this beautiful? 1 gigabyte is now 800 naira. With this cheap data code, you're going to be getting 1 gig for 200 naira. This is very beautiful. Rush it, please. So if you want to go with this one, you will choose proceed. Okay, so now for the second code, you're going to be dialing *312*88# for the MTN cheap data. Okay, so here you'll be charged 200 naira for this purchase of 1 gig plus 500 MB monthly plan. Jeez, this is so beautiful. If you like this offer, you just choose number 1 option and then 1 off purchase. You're going to be getting 1 off purchase. That is, you don't want it to repeat itself. But if you want it to repeat itself, you can redial the code again. Third code is *312*10#. *312*10#, and then you dial. So this one here, you will be charged 20 naira for the purchase of 75 MB. Jeez, this is so massive. It is so good, and then it's going to last for 7 days, 7 good days. The fourth code, they're going to be dialing *312*86#, *312*86#, and then so this one you'll be charged 20 naira for this purchase of 75 MB plus another 75 MB, and this is going to last for a week. This is a weekly plan. So if you go with this option, you're going to dial or choose number 1, which is 1 of purchase, if you want to proceed with this offer. So this is so good, guys. Rush it, please. Rush it. The code is *312*87#, *312*87#. It says here that you'll be charged 15 naira for this purchase of 200 MB. Can you imagine? 200 MB plus 250 MB. Hey, and it's going to last for 2 weeks. This is so beautiful. I've never seen this kind of cheap data offer before. You know, things are really expensive these days, especially data. So moving on, let's add on to the 6th code, which is going to be dialing *406*3 and then hash, and then you dial. This one here is for those people that loves chatting, browsing in the night. Maybe you have a lot of you are so busy during the daytime and you always love doing your internet stuff at night. Okay, maybe your children are disturbing you. Those married people, your children are disturbing you during the daytime, or you don't have chance at all, but you do browse in the night. This is for you. Okay, and this with this offer, you're going to be using MTN Pulse. Make sure you have migrated to MTN Pulse. If not, it's not going to work. All right, MTN Pulse users with the MTN network are the ones that are going to enjoy this particular offer. So yeah, you're going to be getting 500 MB Pulse Night Live for 50 naira, and then the maximum gig for this offer is 2 gigs. 2 gigabytes. All right, so if you have the 200 naira, you can just purchase the 2 gigabytes once and for all. But if you don't have it, you can use 50 naira to buy 500 MB, and then it's for 9 users. And you're going to be browsing with this offer from 11 p.m. in the night to 6 a.m. in the morning per day. All right, so that is it for this particular beautiful code. Let's move on to the 7th code. So for the 7th code, you're going to be dialing star 312 star 1 star 10 hash. All right, and then you dial. So it says service is temporarily unavailable. You can, so if it's showing you service temporarily unavailable, you can just leave it and redial again. All right, for the 8th code, I'm going to be dialing star 844 star 2 star 1 hash, star 844 star 2 star 1 hash. So here you're going to select the site, all right, or apps. This is for education sites or apps only. So if you are good or you like visiting education sites or some specific apps, you can just use this offer. The first one is 300 MB for 50 naira and it's going to last for 7 days. And the second one is you're going to be getting 4 gig for 600 naira and it's going to last for 30 days. So let's move on to the 9th code, star 312. For the 9th code, star 312 star 200 and then hash. All right, then you dial. So now this is like you're requesting for something. Okay, this code is like a request. Said, dear customer, your request to browse at 3 naira per MB was successful. With this code, you're requesting to browse at 3 naira per MB. 1 MB, they're going to be charging you 3 naira. So now I have like subscribed to this particular offer. So if you want to cancel this particular offer, you're going to dial, I'm going to dial star 312 star 201 hash. Okay. So it says here, dear customer, you have successfully cancelled browsing at 3 naira per MB. So if you like the idea, you can just go with this particular offer and then dial the code star 312 star 200 hash. So now this is the second section, which is for the business owners. So if you're a business owner, you have a very big business that you're running and you need data for your business. If you have social media that you're advertising your business products or goods to, you can use this particular code to generate data for yourself at a very good price. All right, star 312 hash. So yeah, you're going to select the one you want. So here you're going to choose number 4, business plans. They're going to be going with number 3, broadband bundles. Number 3, click dial. They're going to be going with number 1, capped plans. Then you're going to be, if it's 1 month on you want, you choose number 1. Let's click. So here you're going to be getting 30 gigabytes for 9,000 naira and then 60 gigabytes for 14,500. Oh my god, this is so good. 60 gigabytes for 14,500 naira. It is so beautiful. And then 120 gigabytes for 24,000 naira. Wow, this is so massive. This is so massive. And then 200 gigabytes for 25,000 naira. Wow, this is so good. This is so good. So if you love this plan, it's going to last for a month. Business owners only, grab this opportunity at this moment and then you see your business booming when you have lots of data posting your product online. You understand? So let's move on to the 11th code, star 312 hash. Then you're going to be choosing number 4, number 3, number 1, number 2, which is for 3 months bundle. Let's check out this number 2. This is for 3 months bundle. You're going to be getting 450 50 gigabytes for 75,000 naira. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good. Rush this code, guys. This is so good and it's working massively. So for the 12th and last code, business owners, you're going to dial star 312 hash. So you're going to be going with number 4, number 3, number 1, and number 3. This is for yearly bundle. So if you want to buy your data for a year, you can go with this offer. You're going to be getting 1.5 terabytes for 150,000 naira. The business people them, the odogus them, please rush this offer. It is very good. It is very good. For a year, you will not buy data. You will not think of buying data. 150,000 naira, you're going to be getting 1.5 terabytes. My goodness, and it's going to last for a year. So that is it, guys, for this video for today. So these are the 12 cheapest codes to get data from MTN. All right. So if you find this video helpful, this video was valuable to you, you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on it, and share this video so that it will get to a whole lot of people who do not know about these cheap codes to get data from MTN. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.